Hello everyone. So I have come up with a new class. In our last class we have discussed a few contents of syntax. So let's proceed further. So the topic of today's class is IC analysis. So what does IC analysis mean? IC analysis is a way or is a process of analyzing a sentence based on its constituents. IC analysis is a process of analyzing a sentence based on its constituents. So, what does IC mean? IC mean immediate constituents. IC mean immediate constituents. Now, how does IC analysis happen? Like normally you might get a question on what is IC analysis and giving example on it, or you can get a question to do IC analysis of a certain sentence. So let's do the IC analysis of a sentence. As I have said, to know the deeper explanation of word class, please go to the video in my other channel that is linked with our previous class in the description. The class of word class, I have linked a video in the description. Please go to that channel and watch the video. So in IC analysis, S is the sentence. Let's take a sentence. The boy killed the stray dog. The boy killed the stray dog. So this is our S. Sentence will be divided into two, NP and VP. The NP will be further divided into two because there are two elements in the NP. Which is the NP part? This one is the NP part, this one is the VP part. NP, VP. So it will be determiner and noun. The determiner is the article, you have to mention it. Article, and that is the. Noun, boy. Done. Then the VP. The VP in this sentence can be divided into a V and a NP. This is also a noun phrase, right? This is the V. The whole thing is a VP. So we can divide the VP into a NP. Sorry. We can divide the VP into a N and a NP. The N, very sorry. The VP can be divided into a V and a NP. The V is further divided into two, that is V and past. V is the kill and the past form. The NP is divided into three, that is a determiner, adjective and a noun. Determiner is the article and that is the, adjective stray and noun the. Remember one thing, when doing IC analysis, only the NP can be divided into three parts. Only the NP can be divided into three parts, not the other word classes. Only the NP you can divide it into three parts. The rest will be always broken into two. Clear? So this is what IC analysis is. Analyzing a sentence based on its constituents. This is immediate constituent analysis. Clear? So why does this thing is important in a language? This thing is important in a language so that we can analyze what we have written. Because as we know, the English language have certain word orders which is rigid. We cannot break it, or we cannot flex it, or we cannot shuffle it. So whether the things are sitting properly in their places or not, to see that, this analysis is necessary. So this was all about IC analysis. In our next video we shall be talking about tense, aspect and modality. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.